Morning, students. We are starting with miscellaneous exercise. What are the points on y-axis whose distance from x upon 3 plus y upon 4 equal to 1 is 4 units? Let the point be P 0, B. X upon 3 plus y upon 4 equals to 1 is 4x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. Distance of point P from the line is 4 units. Now we know the formula of distance is d equals ax1 plus by1 plus c upon under root a square plus b square. Here, if you see the equation, we have capital A equals to 4, capital B equals to 3, capital C equals to minus 12, x1 is equal to 0, y1 is equal to b. We put the value and we know the distance is 4 units. We take both the positive and negative value 4 and we equate it in the formula. We get the value of b as 32 by 3 and minus 8 upon 3 using both positive 4 and negative 4. So the points on y-axis whose distance from x upon 3 plus y upon 4 equal to 1 is 4 units are 0 minus 8 upon 3, 0, 32 upon 3. Second question. Find the equation of line perpendicular to x upon 4 plus y upon 6 equals to 1 through the point where it meets the y-axis. Now let us write it in a general form. We get 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. If we write it in slope intercept form, we get y is equal to minus 3 by 2x plus 6. Here the slope of the line is minus 3 by 2. So slope of the perpendicular line is minus 1 upon minus 3 by 2, that is plus 2 by 3. So the point where 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0 meets y-axis. Put x is equal to 0, 2y minus 12 equal to 0, 2y is 12 and y is 6. The point 0, 6 has slope and slope is 2 by 3. So equation of line is y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. So y minus 6 is equal to m x minus 6. Put m is equal to 2 by 3, we get 3y minus 18 equals to 24. The line is 2x minus 3y plus 18 equals to 0. Third question is, find the equation of line through the point 3, 2 making an angle 45 degrees with the line x minus 2y equals to 3. Now the slope of the line is, if we convert it in slope intercept form, we get the slope of the line is m equals to half. So slope is half. So what will be m2? M2 will also be half. M1 is half. M2 will be, M1 we don't know, M2 is half. So tan theta is 45 degrees. So we have the formula of tan theta. Modulus m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. Tan 45 is m1 minus half, 1 plus m1 into half. So what do we get? 2m1 minus 1 upon 2 plus m1 is equal to plus minus 1. Because tan 45 is 1, we will take both plus and minus sign. We solve for both plus and minus sign, we get the value of m as minus m1 as minus 1 by 3 and m1 as 3. The slope of line through 3, 2 making an angle 45 degrees with x minus 2y equals to 3 can have slope m equal to 3 and slope m equals to minus 1 by 3. On left side we solve the equation of line passing through the point 3, 2 and having slope 3. On right side we solve equation of line passing through the point 3, 2 and having slope minus 1 by 3. We get y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1, y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1 on both the sides. On one side slope is 3, other side slope is minus 1 upon 3. We get the equation as 3x minus y equal to 7 and x plus 3y equals to 9. Next question. Find the distance of the point 1, 2 from 4x plus 7y plus 5 equal to 0 along 2x minus y equal to 0. Slope of 2x minus y equal to 0 can be found out by converting it in slope intercept form. We get slope as plus 2 and the point is 1, 2. Line parallel to 2x minus y passing through 1, 2 is y minus 2 is equal to 2x minus 1, where slope is 2 and point is 1, 2. Now we solve it, we get 2x minus y is equal to 3. Now simultaneously solve 2x minus y equal to 0 and 4x plus 7y is plus 5 equal to 3 plus 5 equal to 0. Simultaneously solving, we get the point Q. You can see the figure point Q. The line 2x minus y and the parallel line is PQ. So point Q will be found by simultaneously solving the 2 lines. So the point Q is 223 upon 10 minus 8 upon 5. This is the value of x and value of y. So this is the point, and we can find out the distance of 1, 2 from 4x plus 7y plus 5 equal to 0. The distance of 1, 2 from 4x plus 7y plus 5 equal to 0 along 2x minus y equal to 0. Now y is equal to 2x, we put in 4x plus 7y plus 5 equal to 0. We get 4x plus 7 into 2x plus 5, x is minus 5 upon 18 and y is minus 10 upon 18. So distance will be using distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square and y2 minus y1 whole square, that is 23 upon 18 whole square, 46 upon 18 whole square. We can take 23 upon 18 common and what is inside is 1 square and 2 square, that becomes 1 plus 4, 5. So the distance is 23 upon 18 under root 5. Find the image of 3, 8 through the line x plus 3y equals to 7. Now how to find out the image? This is a very important question. Let us understand it. First we need to find out, we know the distance of the image from the mirror and distance of the object from the mirror, it is the same. So PR is equal to QR. So R is the midpoint of P and Q. Now slope of x plus 3y equal to 7 can be found out by converting in slope intercept form. We get y is equal to mx plus c form, so slope is 3. Slope of PQ is minus 1 upon 3. So slope of PQ is minus 1 upon 3, that is 3. So the point 3, 8 and slope PQ is 3. So we get the equation of PQ as y minus 8 is equal to 3x minus 8. On solving we get 3x minus y equal to 1 or 9x minus 3y equal to 3. Now the point R is the point of intersection of PQ and x plus 3y equal to 7. We find out the point of intersection by simultaneously solving it and we get the point R as 1, 2. Now what we can find out is we can find out Q. We know that R is the midpoint of P and Q, so we can use the midpoint formula. X1 plus x2 upon 2 is equal to x, y1 plus y2 upon 2 is equal to y. Here x is 1, x1 is 3, x2 we don't know, upon 2. We solve it. 2 is equal to 3 plus x2, x2 is 2 minus 3 minus 1, and on the right hand side we have 2 is equal to 8 plus y2 upon 2, 2 2s are 4 plus is equal to 8 plus y2, y2 is 4 minus 8, y2 is minus 4. So the image of the point 3, 8 is x plus 3y equal to 7, that is minus 1 and 4. Thank you very much, students.